tarap kabe okto te tarap kabe luwe kibe mat.
Name blumi Kireni, papa blumi blo Lou Aelan, lo Manus Province lo Papua New Guinea, PNG. Mama blumi emi big pla lo Vancouver Island lo Canada, tasol bubu blongan kamaot lo Great Britain, especially lo Scotland. Mi born lo PNG, na mi big pla lo PNG na Vanuatu. Tasol mi sabe visitim tu ol family lo Canada. Mi sabe lo hamas pla tok ples, English, tok ples blo England, tok pisin blo PNG. Bislama em tok pisin blol Vanuatu, na French tu mi sabe tok ples blol France. Tasol mi no sabe lo tok ples blo miet ngolan low blo Lou Aelan. Wokim na last year, mixion pla year off before mi go lo university, na mi go stap lo ples, lo traim lo line im tok ples blo mi. Tasol mi no catch up hurry up, blo anem planti line lo ples, no sabe use im tok ples tu mas gen. Osem only use him tok pisin planti more. Mi luki mosem ikam up one pla heavy now lo ples. Blow them 20 pla Christmas before, but you are mol pikinini oli pilai. Oli pilai na oli tok ples. That's all now. Oli pilai na oli tok pisin that's all. Ol pikinini no work lo line him tok ples osem before.
Hey, look at me. But me pilai go na 20. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Planti hap lo Melenisia work lo face him just like heavy now. Lo tok ples, I walk lo go down na I walk lo die.
Melenisia emi hamas different country. PNG, Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, Fiji, Kanaki, mo West Papua. Inside lo Melenisia, yumi reach lo fulap different culture. Mo lo side pro language, yumi bidim every place lo wall lo yumi got fulap language. All Europe now only been come colonizing all place blu yumi. Some all country only kasem independence finish. Fiji, PNG, Solomons, mo Vanuatu. Be yumi look mark plo colonization is stap yet. Lol school blu yumi usum yet all language blo Europe, or language blo colonizer. English lo PNG, Solomons, mo Fiji, mo lo Vanuatu yumi usum English mo Franis tuvla together.
Look save blemi. Lo wane mok lo come up lo ngolan low. I walk him na mi look him osem mi mas halivim yumi olgeta wo yumi come out lo low. Lo look save osem tok ples blemi emi important. Na yumi no can lari mi die. One time sla tingting ya. Mi walk him sla video. Time mi bin go lo Vancouver Island lo Canada. Mi bin go meet him sampla family friends. Where emi all First Nations all as place line block Canada straight. Only come out lo one pla tribe, name blongan na Cowichan. Only come out lo one pla hap name blongan Cowichan no Vancouver Island. All First Nations line ya. All two only got story blo struggle blongol lo tribe lo olim passin blongol na tok ples blongol.
So I'm from Cowichan. Our valley is named, although today they mispronounce it. It's Cowichan, but we are the Halkamitinam speaking peoples of southern Vancouver Island.
All Cowichan and one pa tribe all First Nations all as ples blo Canada. We only start past time before all Europe only come. All France now England only been come colonizing all lo end blo 1800s. All Cowichan tribes yeah only got all custom blo all line blo hunt, all line blo pining piece, smoking piece, all salmon, all line blo weaving basket, carving canoe. Time all Europe only been come lo Canada yeah. All First Nations only go through lo planti hard time. All Europe only kilim planti all pikinini, all Europe only come rausim all. Na putim all lo school long way lo ples plong all straight. All Europe only rausim tu all ground blo First Nations yeah. Na coming up now, all First Nations only noksim independence plong all. All Europe only stap olgeta. Now, sla all Cowichan tribe se only got 5,000 member, 5,000 line Cowichan. Na plante oli trime hat lo Holem ol pasin blong ol weli stap yet.
Wantem tok by ol Cowichan oli wantem give him lo yumi lo site lo language.
Sa squalls need to know our language, your language, the importance of it. It needs to keep being shared with the youth.
From wantem language hemi special. From wantem yumi no mas letem hemi tet. Language hemi important from se hemi holem every fasen mo custom blo one place.
To place hemi one plus something where inungkat long narapla place. One place ikat top place plong him.
Our language for thousands of years, many thousands of years, developed from being here. Our language belongs here. Our resources know our language. For us, it's absolutely crucial to keep our relationship with our land and our practices, and to do that, really, you need to have the language.
Time you talk no top place, you know clear ta so long talk you walk long talk lo hen. You clear too long save is the backside. Emi minimum same olgeta name lo top place. Long olgeta DY, olgeta something is tap lo bush ground na so whatever you plant. You clear long.
One statesman lo Solomon, one talk where he give him lo me about language and imitale mo sense. Police use lo custom crown, you must address him no more language blame from language blame na is straight.
Mekem se nauya yumi look save. Language emi one big fella something inside long ol custom fasen blue yumi.
Time where you look lo one ceremony lo one maret or lo custom maret. Time where you start mekem ba one man we costan up lo front one chief talk. Time use language. You harem heavy, and you harem say is silim kut wanem we hemi stop from say hemi fasin blehem. Time we little talk bislaman no from ba you no sabe explain him kut.
Inside the language play me too, he got all different fasten blue sing out. More suppose you look good, in more meaning, it got heavy meaning, more it create them, because it bring him community, family together.
Me will stand with him some friend me will stop story. He got one young fella come sing out to me. Hemi come say, "Mommy," hemi sing out to me. After me look hemi say, "Sorry, me no mommy blow you." For them line blow me to me no sing out, you no sing out mommy blow me. And lo time ya, me got one realization say, time we sing out lo language is loose. Misunderstanding lo how family line and family ties all this stuff.
Time talk place for you, I finish, no talk place ta soli die. Emi tingting inside your head, one fla pasem blo tumbuna blo tingting, I die finish. Tas all, pasem blo tumbuna lo tingting, where talk place for you, I Holem pass. This pla tingting tas all blo tumbuna blo pla, emi give him power lo you make him olgeta something belong tumbunang, olgeta something wrong place, garden, olgeta tanis, olgeta something belong before. And now onarpla something too by finish.
One language one quote dalam semi also one library. So time we say library lucy ko finish na you know mga chance for you have any important information waiting for you want them.
Language hemi important too from se hemi shoem se you blow where place threat.
If you want your children to continue to understand who they are, where they're from, the rich history that you have, that can only be done in learning language.
Reason why you stop promoting tingting lo language iplo mekem pikinini ikatai tentative lem o imekem yumi all man place imi katai emi now I tentative lo yumi
Time emi tok lo tok place, by sabe o se mi husat. Mi no man America, mi no man Australia, mi man straight plong place plong mi man low.
Identity and what can giving you one pride. So language can giving you pride. So time you go back lo village or lo island you talk straight language play you make him say you feel or say you belong lo one community where you go back life.
Be yumi lo Melenisia. Yumi glad yet long a language play yumi? Yumi look save se language hemi one big fella something?
Tete plantimano li tingting o sem something tok place or something blong tumbuna emi something nothing.
One emi stop happen long a narafala place long wall. Everyone is stop less now long a language blo olgeta. All Europe, only harem o sem one em lo side long a language blo olgeta.
Me one man lo Portugal. Lo Portugal, you me talk Portuguese. Lo Europe got full of different language. Be you me everyone of them you me Holem Taet Lanwis language blo me. Pasem men blo Europe I proud blo Holem language blo hem. So even mi kasam Spanish, mi kasam Italian, French, mi sabe English. We must work every day with English too. Be me like him language from me culture. So when me fashion lo think lo.
mi travel plante lo Melenisia mi ko lo Solomons mi ko lo Bougainville mi ko lo Papua New Guinea and all places where mi ko stop them all man place all man place streta and isat lo lukim samvala areas where mi ko lo even lo Vanuatu too you ko lo samvala areas you looking all parents all parents tok islamana mo tok pichino mo all get all pikinini ya. Now, question where one is to ask him, say, but tomorrow, pampai pikinini plami, who ya pikinini ya?
One of our elders said it best. I shared this earlier. He was at a ceremony on the mainland and they were using English in our longhouses. And he said, the moment we start using English in our ceremonies is the moment we stop being Cuomo Mistimo.
Language hemi important too, from se hemi one big fella power blue me.
Something you take him lo hand blow tumuna blow you, or same top place. Something you take him lo hand blow God, or same top place blow you. I mean something where you take him free, you know buy him. You know buy him. I mean same one big power. Top place hemi one pla something where hemi give him strong on community. But when him time all get a line lo community only work lo top place. Hemi make him him only got one pla pasem. Long only nap talk only nap straight him talk long one pla pasem where narafala man or narafala place emi no sabe long.
Na disla important to mas lo now lo disla time where igat planti man wak lo kam lo overseas lo time lo stilim ground blue mi na resource blue mi. Osem professor bin talk tu talk plus give him yumi one pla passing lo tingting blue yumi yeta.
All different language ikaton way blame lo hemi looking wole hemi no se maklol nara languages.
Suppose yumi no sabe lo talk plus blue mi. Now yumi must talk la nara pla talk plus tasol. Na tingting tu by senis now. Igo lo look lo nara pla talk plus ya. Tu pla talk pizza ha. Lo tu pla talk. Bride price na landowner. Lo pasim blumi before. Yumi no sa tingting o se Mary na giraun em something blo salim na baim nogat. Ta sol tupla tok ya lo English ikam na iseni sim tingting. Na Yumi mas look out lo disla. Why only iseni sim tingting blumi?
Inap you no look sabe. Lo power where you Holem lo hamblo you. Taso mi bla look sabe finish. Mi bla look sabe finish. Long displa as time pikin blu go school, ino school lo lang, ino school lo top place, school lo top place for mi pla. Mi pla like mo sem pikin blu you, pa emi no tingting lo style blong tumbuna. Pa emi no look sabe long big plus something, stap lo gram blongen. Big plus power emi gat no gram blongen. Suppose mi pla inap seni sim tingting blo pikin blu you, now ino long pla time, mi pla sabe still ma ground lo pikin blu you, making pikin blu you come up slave blong mi pla.
Professor I wok lo toko sem online outside. Oli save kam no oli save use him English o oli save use him tok place blongol. Lo seni sim tingting blumi blo control Yumi.
Tok place wali use him no school, tok place English. You no control him tok place English. Naru pla mani control him. Tas all time you talk lo tok place. You pla watem community pla, you pla control him. And one pla big pla control blong you pla too. Big pla something.
Wantem now story blo language blongol man ples Cowichan. Wantem now Yumi save lanem lo history blongol geta mo look save we ligat now ya lo language blongol geta.
Holem. We have approximately just over 5,000 registered Cowichan tribes members. Out of the 5,000, we have maybe 8 fluent speakers. So our ability to pass on the language, keep up with the youth, it isn't there. The cultural coordinator here at Cowichan Tribes. I am responsible for the language and language resources. And the elders guide my work. They guide the curriculum that we're building. This is where you're ahead of us, you're richer than us. You have people who children can go home to and speak to. We don't.
Ayrin na, karantas nanti po ka school o sa kan school?
Hindi, isa rin yan ng school.
Nakamal. Ang Mary na.
Take advantage of what you still have. Pass that on to your children before you wind up in the circumstance that we are in. We're playing catch up. You are richer than us.
A passing from one took place, he died. I think he got one road. Number one, something where he come up from one place where only no got to place can where he die finish. Number one, something where he come up long kind place or same. All man by senisim belief long all. Before all he got belief long to place long all. Before all he got belief long passing long all. The number one, something where he come up long kind place or same. By all man he senisim tingting long all or by thinking or same something long all man outside. Any good pla. Something on me pla, any something nothing. Kind thinking was same, and also 1 plus sick. 1 plus sick, suppose sick. You go big pla, low place plo you pla. In a long time, in a long pla time, before by you looking old man, by only no talk long talk place, long or pikinini blong all. By all mama papa, by oli tok ples. Tasol o by tok long olgeta, long oljet. Tasol by oli tok long pikinini. Pikinini blue you. And by harem tok ples tasol, by no tok ples.
Now time ol pikinini oli kamap mama papa. Ba oli tok pisinta sol long oliet na lol pikinini blongol tu. Bloanem ono save lo tok lo tok ples.
Emi no sem pikinini blow you now. By no clear lo wampala something lo tok ples. By no harem tok ples, by no tok lo tok ples. By you look osem sampla old plaman tasol oli tok lo tok ples. Sampla old pla. Be ol young plan no gat, ol pikinini no gat, ol mama papa no gat. After time ol manya I die, ol lapun I die. Ol lapun ol last one lo tok place. Last ol man we after behind long all I no gat one plaman I tok lo tok place. Time ol I die. Yumi ol man we work blong mipla and blong glassing or something blong tok or some linguist. Mipla by tok or same tok place per you I die finish. I no got one plaman where emisabe lo tok place per you. Olgeta I die finish and no same tok place per you I die finish.
Think about all Cowichan oli got 8 olflano mo now we sabe lo language blong olgeta. Oli harem monem. By you harem monem suppose language blong you itet.
Suppose you look Kim ol man where oli losing tok place blong all finish. Oli sorry. Oh sorry blong oli inoli click. Emi go on top I capside. Bloanem now ya, time oli lose him. Oli look sabe.
Yumi lo PNG mo Melenisia. Or language blimi stop strong yet.
PNG and Montpla country where plenty took place, only life yet, only no die yet. That's all PNG is stop on Montpla place now, yeah. Or now where plenty took place from PNG, I walk long die. Plenty lo you plan. I sabe lo took place. Took place no die yet. That's all you know. Lo took place lo pikinini blow you. Emi minimo sem pipla something. Why tu mo na godi kim lo you pla. You know look sabe, was emi pipla something. You think was emi something nothing. You lari me go loose.
Lo sam place lo Melenisia, language olgeta closapitet. Lo sam nara place lo Melenisia, language olgeta hemitet finis.
We Mr. Wokloan community lo Malakula. Olgeta oli kata emblems, Felician emblem matan katale. Emi got around 200 mani live here. Be less than 20 lol mane oli talk language olgeta. Now all fala old speakers all is the harem no good from language olgeta I lose. The one old speakers say mse talam se pekosta cry lo grave lo mami blame se wish se hemi bin lanem as much as hemi save while mami blame alive. Pe Mr. Look attitude lo liang fala lo place. Olgeta ol se mse olino I think on no look save yeta.
One time by you me look save se language hemi one big fala something. But you me wait ka same time where language it dead, play you me just look save.
You lose him talk place and me easy something. You less, you know talk place what I'm picking below you think or same talk place and me something nothing or and by line him lo behind him some kind rope lo line him lo time behind. Sorry Thomas.
Mo time one language close up it dead, but you save harem come back again?
Long kissing me come back one pla top place and me hard. One pla hard pla something. O say morning by you school in pikinini, long top place again. Time you no got money top place. Or man lo while he try long kissing back top place long all. Or by hard work long, try long. Lo carry me come back sabe blong top place, grammar blong him, or kind word. Lo talk English, you me talk revive him one pla top place. Time you revive him one pla top place, that's all you try him long carry him one top place where me I finish, he come back, you kiss him, he come back. That's all revive him one pla top place, any hard work.
Mekem se yumi we yumi save language yet. Wantem now yumi save lanem lo look save blongol Cowichan.
Having had the opportunity to spend some time in the South Pacific, learn Bisnama, go to a large number of communities to see and learn from them, see where they were at, I can only echo, sometimes you don't know what you really have until it's gone.
Me meet him one friendly me lo all First Nations long Canada. Team one good for a friend when him team him stap storian lo place blame say o kota tu li stap lu sumol sem language blogata which emi sem olgeta li kam lo place li find him say we're rich. We're so rich was we still speaking our languages. Now, olgeta olipuana from olgeta plant fulap logata li no tok language now. So I think emi want something where you need lo yumi emi want something where you need lo seriously tingting lem.
150 years of impact. Now we're fighting to try and maintain these little bits and pieces that we have left to try and maintain our community, maintain our people as Holem Taet Lanwis.
Tam you harem all friends also me we mitalem olgeta lo First Nations ya. Emi to ko pot se lista lusum logata from influence plot say bikwan ikili mo to sem language logata sta kon now. Now you realize him not language is tako, but also muli try to revive him by take him long time. But yumi we yumi kat yet. Imokut yumi holem, yumi lukaotem kut, yumi promote him ko.
Take it from a group that's struggling. 8 fluent speakers. Our situation's challenging. We're always encouraged to use positive words, so we've accepted the challenge of trying to teach both our children and our adults at the same time. You're ahead of us. You're richer.
Osemwe professor italem. Yumi planti yumi save lo language, be yumi no stap tok lo language lo pikinini. From wantem. Ilu kosem se yumi stap mekem sam kiaman tok. Yumi tram skele mol kiaman tok ya.
Plenty on mampa mi arimoli i tok osem. Oh no gat. Mi mas lanim pikinini lo mi mas tok pikinini lo tok pisin. Suppose plenty kind tok place. Suppose mama ikat one tok mampla tok place pro tumulungan. Papa ikat narpa tok place kamno narpa place tumulungan. Only about toko say no me using one plata sol lo name pikinini by emi foul now. Emi foul and by foul plenty took place too much by foul no gat. O time you pipla I hard lo you learn mon plat took place easy time you lick crew blom pikinini am narakain crew where emi save learn him 4-5 took place long one plat time. So suppose you no talk long talk place of pikinini blue blow name papa I come lo one plahap, mama come lo na plahap. You no worry. You give him 2 pla. Mama I give him talk place plongen lo pikinini. Papa I give him talk place plongen pikin plongen. Pikinini sabe line him 2 pla. I no confuse. Pikinini is smart too much lo side lo talk place here.
The Europe, you got full of men with different language stuck together, also married together. We got full of friends mixed within Finland, within different Chinese, German, doesn't matter. So pikinini blow olgeta, started two language, normal. You mean never focus on one no more. From you mean must talk with him abublo hemblo Germany, and we must talk with him abublo hemblo Portugal.
Today, full of mama papa, only stop talk mutalem se language. All pikinini only no sabe talk language from where only no one in talk language. Only stop talem se all pikinini only less no talk language blow olgeta. Ata only blame him all pikinini. It true or someone. No God no more. From where suppose imi talem se imi papa, imi mama. Yumi ana first teachers. Yumi ana first one to talk olgeta lo language blow yumi. Yumi ana for yumi can't believe lo yumi se language ya now. All pikinini by grow up lo hen. So yumi must talk with them olgeta. Yumi no expect se pikinini by you go harem someplace or you learn him from narafala man. You walk lo yumi papa mama blow teach him all pikinini blow yumi. Or only start talk lo language blow yumi for only sabe huya olgeta.
Suppose you know talk place lo pikinini blow you wantem you wantem you like you feel him or same pikinini blow you must learn him talk pisin pastime. Must learn him talk English pastime by any quick time. Learn him or something lo school. No God. Suppose pikinini sabe finish three talk place for mama talk lo papa talk pisin. Yeah, in time lo learn him English by easy long. Talk place I talk him all. You husat. Emi sabe husat. Time emi sabe husat. Big plus school where emi been take him lo talk place plong em. Time emi sabe husat. Now by give him big plus belief long yet. Time you got big plus belief long you yet. You got big plus belief long custom blow you yet. You got big belief long ground blow you yet. You got big belief long community blow you yet. You got big belief long tumuna blow you yet. You got big belief long talk place blow you. Time you got kind belief for him. And by make him walk blow school easy lo you. You got plenty man te table talk with him. Oh, you're right. Pikin blow me, talk to place. That's all harem talk place. Eminap. No God.
Suppose all pikinini only sabe no more understand, only sabe harem sabe talk, but only no sabe talk. Imia straight. From also one day by only got family, time only grow up, only got family blow olgeta no more. By only transfer him talk, I also one by only pasem language he go along all pikinini blow also one by I had no more. And so it true. You must have how to understand or you must have how to talk language. And important to follow together.
Suppose yumi wantem Holem Taet language blu yumi. Yumi no mas wet lo naraman. Yumi no mo yumi talk lo language blu yumi.
All I can do is encourage fluent speakers. Taet talit unsquall unsmanams. Teach your language to your children.
Think about culture leader blongol Cowichan ibn talem se. Yumi rich from se yumi fulap yumi save yet lo language blu yumi. Yumi got Chinese stap yet blu yumi no more yumi give him language blu yumi longol pikinini blu yumi. Yumi save glad lo hemia.
Hemi daughter blumi emblem Ariana. Time when me cut bell or me to expect them baby, me to discuss with them man blumi, and me to storian them and by cook lo pigin blumi to talk language. So hemi talk language blo probably.
Lumi semi-club to talk language from time local island by easy to communicate them with family island.
Hemi no one had something blo Holem Taet Lanwis. Hemi stap lu yumi 1-1 blo gat belief lu yumi give him language long ol pikinini blu yumi. Ol pikinini oli smart too much lo side blo lanem ol language. Oli save lanem fulap language. Mo hemia by help em olgeta lo life blong olgeta blo lanem nara something back again o sem lo school mo lo life blong olgeta lo future. No matter yumi stap lo town or yumi stap lo island, yumi no mas forgetem language blu yumi. Mo big fella thank you iko long olgeta we oli stap tok language yet long ol pikinini blong olgeta. You fella now I mekem se language blu yumi oli life yet.
And he stop surprising to all families for pleasure.
Time events when we play outside all families so lipis lama lo mimo sponsista. Pali se krange se mitule se language. After mami pemula sometimes we stand sa laugh them say. Oli se krange from oli shoot lane mo pini ko kita begitu to language tu sometimes mami se communicate.
Now we stop. Mi like line miat ngolan lo. Nami hope sem chla video by halivim yumi. Lo strongem tingting blumi. Blumi look save o sem yumi mas holem pas tok ples blumi. O sem one pla big pla power blumi. Na blo soim strat o sem yumi blo Lou Aelan.